Welcome to this comprehensive Quickstart guide on Azure Machine Learning Studio, a truly powerful and versatile cloud-based platform from Microsoft Azure. This platform is specifically designed to empower users in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, offering a robust environment for all stages of model development and deployment. We'll check into its core functionalities and demonstrate how it streamlines complex tasks, making advanced machine learning accessible to a broader audience. Prepare to explore how Azure ML Studio can transform your data science projects, from initial concept to production-ready solutions, all within a unified and intuitive interface. Azure ML Studio is meticulously designed for the entire lifecycle of developing, training, and deploying machine learning models, catering to a diverse audience ranging from absolute beginners taking their first steps in AI to seasoned professionals seeking advanced capabilities. Its architecture supports a wide array of machine learning tasks, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, making it a versatile tool for various industry applications. The platform's scalability ensures that whether you're working on a small proof of concept or a large-scale enterprise solution, your computational needs are met efficiently and effectively. This adaptability is crucial in today's fast-evolving data landscape, allowing users to innovate without being constrained by infrastructure limitations. This platform distinguishes itself by offering a remarkably user-friendly interface coupled with a comprehensive suite of tools, all meticulously integrated to streamline your machine learning workflows from end to end. The intuitive design minimizes the learning curve, allowing users to quickly become proficient in building and managing complex models. From data ingestion and pre-processing to model selection, training, and evaluation, every step is supported by dedicated tools that simplify otherwise intricate processes. This holistic approach ensures that you can focus more on the intellectual challenges of machine learning and less on the operational complexities, accelerating your development cycles and improving overall productivity. Azure ML Studio supports an extensive range of capabilities, notably including automated machine learning, often referred to as AULM, which significantly simplifies the often complex and time-consuming process of model creation. AutoML intelligently automates the selection of algorithms, hyperparameter tuning, and even feature engineering, allowing you to achieve high-performing models with minimal manual intervention. This feature is particularly beneficial for those new to machine learning or for experienced practitioners looking to quickly baseline models and explore a wide range of possibilities. Furthermore, the platform provides robust support for various data types and sources, ensuring flexibility in your projects. In this demo, we use the AutoML to train and evaluate a machine learning model. You need a ML workspace so that you can launch ML Studio. A ML workspace is used to keep all your machine learning resources together, making it easier to manage data, code, models, and other assets in a single place. We'll use a dataset of daily bike share to train a model that predicts the demand for bike share on a given day. You can download these kind of datasets online for free and test. AutoML enables you to try multiple algorithms and parameters to train multiple models and identify the best one for your data. In the portal, view the AutoML page under Authoring. Create a new AutoML job with the settings shown on your screen using Next as required to progress through the user interface. Assign a unique job name for your automated machine learning job. Set the task type to regression. Create a new tabular dataset named Bike Rentals. Upload the local bikerentals.csv file to the default workspace storage. Include only the columns like day is unique for each row and adds predictive capability on its own. Create the data asset. Ensure your newly created bike rental dataset is selected before moving to the next step. Under Compute, use Serverless Compute. Review the settings and check them carefully. Then submit the training job. It starts automatically. And wait for the job to finish. This might take a while for job to finish. The visual interfaces within Azure ML Studio are a cornerstone of its accessibility, allowing for intuitive drag-and-drop model building, which makes advanced machine learning accessible for all skill levels, regardless of coding proficiency. This visual paradigm not only simplifies the development process, but also enhances collaboration, as pipelines become easier to understand and modify. To review the best model, when the AutoML job has completed, you can review the best model it trained by going to Overview tab of the Job Details page. View the information information about the job and note the best model summary. Select the algorithm name for the best model to view its details. Then on the child job details page, view the various tabs such as Overview, Model, Metric Evaluation, Outputs, and Logs. To deploy and test model, on the Model tab for the best model trained by your Auto ML job, select Deploy to deploy the model to a real-time endpoint. Furthermore, Azure ML Studio integrates seamlessly with a multitude of popular open-source frameworks, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, providing unparalleled flexibility and significantly extending its powerful capabilities. This interoperability means that you are not locked into a proprietary ecosystem but can leverage the vast and vibrant open source community, bringing your existing code and models directly into the Azure environment. Whether you're just starting your AI journey and exploring the fundamentals of machine learning, or you are an experienced data scientist pushing the boundaries of advanced analytics, Azure ML Studio provides the comprehensive and adaptable environment you need to innovate and achieve your goals. Its scalable architecture and diverse toolsets support a wide range of use cases, from predictive analytics and natural language processing to computer vision and recommendation systems. From the initial stages of data preparation and feature engineering to the final critical step of model deployment and monitoring, Azure ML Studio simplifies every single step of the machine learning lifecycle. It provides integrated tools for data cleansing, transformation, and visualization, ensuring your data is in optimal shape for model training. The platform also offers robust capabilities for model evaluation, allowing you to assess performance metrics and fine-tune your models for optimal accuracy and efficiency. Once trained, models can be easily deployed as scalable web services, making them accessible to applications and users, and continuous monitoring tools help ensure their ongoing performance in production environments. This comprehensive approach ensures a smooth and efficient workflow from start to finish. Thank you for watching this comprehensive introduction to Azure Machine Learning Studio. I sincerely hope this quick start guide has provided you with a solid foundation and helps you confidently begin your exciting journey into the world of machine learning with Azure. I encourage you to explore the platform further, experiment with its various features, and leverage the extensive documentation and community support available to deepen your understanding and skills. The possibilities with Azure ML Studio are vast, and we are excited to see the innovative solutions you will create. Happy machine learning!